When you first sign up to the app, you will see a section called Watchlist. We've prepared 5 popular stocks and 5 popular fonts for you to look into. You can also dismiss the reminder here if you like. You will see the name of the stock as well as the font, and there is also the logo we have in the app for you. We'll show you the logo of the font management company for the font, so if it's a Vanguard font, we'll just show you the Vanguard logo. There are 2 options here for you to switch back and forth. One is the ranking view and the other one is the performance view. For the ranking view, we show you the ranking of a stock's quality, value and momentum. For a font, we show you the rankings for their return, stability and fees. And the higher and the better the rank is, the more these rings are filled. And if you switch to the performance view, you will see the actual performance number for that stock and that font's last 3 months, 3 years and 10 years. If you want to remove the security from the watch list, simply unselect it. You can also tap into them directly to see their detailed information such as the rankings. And finally, you can click into the watchlist header to view the watchlist in the portrait view. And here you can switch back and forth between the rankings and the performance view as well.